In the realm of consciousness, the notion of emergence serves as a theoretical model to hypothesize how interactions among neurons might lead to the complex phenomenon of consciousness, characterized by subjective experiences and self-awareness. This perspective challenges the traditional dichotomy between dualism and physicalism in philosophical discourse, leading to debates surrounding the concepts of strong and weak emergence. While theories like Giulio Tononi's integrated information theory and Bernard Baars' global workspace theory propose models for understanding consciousness as an emergent property, these remain hypotheses subject to ongoing scientific investigation. In the field of AI, the concept of emergence is frequently referenced to describe the unexpected capabilities exhibited by evolving neural networks. Instances, such as a Google AI's autonomous acquisition of Bengali language skills and OpenAI's models developing strategies beyond initial programming, are often cited. These examples suggest emergent behaviors in AI systems, though the scientific community continues to explore and debate the underlying mechanisms and implications. However, it's crucial to note the challenges posed by these emergent behaviors, particularly the difficulty in comprehending and controlling complex AI systems. This black box nature of AI raises concerns in both the scientific and ethical domains.